Please, I'm asking you, Superman. Can I have my duck? Ah! He's eating up my duck! Stop. Let him go. Let my duck go. Let my... No! Let the duck live! No! This is a very vicious dog. He doesn't like ducks. One day, a little duck was traveling through the neighborhood.